Psychological stress leaves a biological scar, but it doesn't do this by directly attacking your DNA. It dismantles your cellular maintenance systems. While often viewed as a corrosive agent that cleaves telomerases, in vitro studies show cortisol is actually cytostatic. It preserves telomerase length in the short term by pausing the cell division cycle. The true damage is indirect. Cortisol cripples the cell's repair enzymes, meaning damage only occurs when the cell eventually resumes division without its necessary repair crew. The physical toll of stress is a failure of molecular repair. Tracking it requires a complete shift in how we measure and treat biological aging. During a stress response, cortisol binds to cellular receptors and shuts down a specific repair function called MTAC, maximal telomerase activity capacity. Without this active enzyme, the chromosome is left vulnerable. During the cell's next replication cycle, the protective cap undergoes accelerated shortening. This breakdown extends beyond genetic repair to the cell's power grid. Acute stress acts as a bioenergetic alarm, forcing mitochondria to eject their own DNA directly into the bloodstream and saliva. In healthy adults, this mitochondrial DNA concentration spikes by 280. This chronic signaling results in a molecular profile that outpaces chronological years, providing an objective measure for the physical toll of stress. Longitudinal monitoring has identified rapid fluctuations in biological age, showing it can shift in both directions within short windows. Data from joint university studies shows that severe physical trauma, such as major surgery, triggers an immediate and massive spike in a patient's biological age. Severe infectious stress, such as COVID-19, produces the exact same rapid acceleration in the epigenetic clock. Researchers classify these as pathological epigenetic events that are reversible. Clinical proof shows that once these extreme stressors are removed, biological age reliably returns to its baseline. This recovery capacity reveals a highly fluid biological clock. When the neuroendocrine alarm shuts off, the body can actively pause the aging process and restore cellular homeostasis.